Complete Barbers Kit. Complete kit for professional quality home haircuts trimming. The Wahl Home Barber 30-piece kit offers multi-cut clippers, a cordless touch-up trimmer, a cordless personal trimmer with 2 attachment heads. Heavy-duty motor. Our PowerDrive cutting system easily cuts the thickest hair with 35% more power than standard Wahl electromagnetic motor clippers. This powerful electric shaver cuts through the thickest of hair with no snags or pulls. Self-Sharpening Blades. Wahl's high-carbon self-sharpening precision blades stay sharp longer and continuously sharpen over time. Oil between every few haircuts to increase the longevity of your clipper motor blades. Adjustable taper lever. Easily change the closeness of your cut between guide comb lengths. Move the lever up for the closest cut, move it down for a longer cut. Allows for easy transitioning of blending fading. Note: we test our clippers for cutting performance prior to packaging with a hygienic fiber. We do our best to clean the product to remove any testing particles, but it is possible a few may remain. They are not hair and can be simply wiped off. Hair clipper, beard trimmer, detailer combo. Clip, trim, and detail with this complete at-home barber kit. Included is a multi-cut corded hair clipper, a battery beard trimmer, and a battery 2-head detail trimmer. These tools allow you to cut your hair, groom your beard, and touch up necklines, sideburns, and eyebrows. Home Barber Kit accessories. The kit comes with 14 attachment guards, barber comb, styling comb, mirror, scissors, clipper blade guard, trimmer blade guard, large cleaning brush, blade oil, small cleaning brush, spray bottle, cape, and soft storage case. Top reviews from the United States. Great price for a quality product. It gets the job done and it came with attachments and easy to follow instructions.